What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Joseph, and in today's video I'll be going over why you should be keeping an eye on Apple stock, ticker symbol AAPL. Apple is setting up very nice for a swing trade, and I don't want you guys to miss it. So in today's video I'll go over the technicals, show you exactly why you should be buying, and then we'll also go over some price targets and some stop losses as well. If you're going to enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And then also, if you want to be a part of a free Discord community, make sure to check out the Discord channel in the description down below. Also, if you stay till the end, I'll be giving you guys a bonus stock that you could play as a swing trade as well. Alrighty guys, now that we have Apple pulled up on the chart, I'm going to go over why exactly you should be buying the stock. So if we take a look closer at Apple, as we can see, they fell from around $157 all the way back down to this 100-day moving average. And the main thing that I do like about Apple is that it is a uptrending stock, and uptrending stocks are generally easier to trade if you're buying call options or even buying the stock itself. So this 100-day moving average is very key for the stock because moving averages act as great support whenever a stock is in an uptrend. And as you can see today, we got some buyers stepping in and driving the price right back above that moving average. So this is great to see for Apple. I do see them bouncing from this level, and also not to mention they do have earnings at the end of this month, so we could see a nice earnings run up as well. So that is also something to keep an eye out for the stock. And when it comes from my price target, I do see Apple going right back to around $145, which is about a $4 move to the upside. And then if it can break past the 145 area, I do see it going right back up to around 150. So for my stop loss, I would keep it underneath the low of this previous day's wick, and that would be right around $137 and some change. If Apple falls below this previous day's low, that's where I would cut the position for a small loss. And another thing I wanted to show you guys on the bigger picture was, as I said before, Apple is an uptrending stock, and they have been using this nice trend line as support. So this is something else you want to keep in mind for the stock as well. If I draw this out for you guys, they've been using these two resistance areas and support levels as great areas to bounce from, and as you can see, that's exactly where they fell from, which was that resistance on the chart. And if Apple does decide to reverse to the downside, this is ultimately where I would look to go long on the stock, right around 133 and some change, or even $134, because as we can see in the past, Apple has maintained this trendline support and hasn't fell underneath that anytime in the past. So that is good to see for the stock. If it does fall here, this is where I would go in heavy for some call options. Now, if we go over to Robinhood, I'll show you guys the exact call contracts you can look to buy if you want to play this trade. So right here, I have Apple put up on Robinhood, and as you can see, they're up about 2% on the day. And if we go over to trade Apple options, for my swing trades, I always go a few weeks out. So I would pick the October 22nd expiration, and a great strike you want to be looking at is the 145 strike. It has plenty of volume and open interest in it, so there's already buyers in this stock, or in this contract, and the time decay is fairly low, which is great to see. So there shouldn't be a problem swinging this call contract for the next week or so. And the delta is pretty nice. So for every dollar Apple moves, we would make or lose $34, which is the delta. So that is the contract I am looking at for Apple. You can pick a closer to the money contract if you want as well. Those would make more money. As we can see, the delta is a lot bigger. So either way you go, anywhere around the money is where I would stay for the stock. And if you are a little bit riskier and you think Apple's going to move sooner, you could pick a closer expiration like the October 15th. So that is the trade setup on Apple. Let me know what you guys think of it in the comment section down below. And then for the bonus stock, it is going to be Best Buy, which is ticker symbol BBY. And I do like the way Best Buy is setting up. So if I map out the areas of value on Best Buy, as you can see, they do have resistance right around 124 and some change, but then they do have a major support line right around $104 as well. And then another one at about $100, which is where they were bouncing from in the past. So this is the setup on Best Buy. As we can see, last week on the 27th, they did have a nice push from this support area, and they got rejected at the 20 SMA. But now that they're retesting this area once again, I do see them bouncing right back up to where they fell. So this is the setup on Best Buy. Right on that support area, as I said before, great risk to reward ratio as well. If we look at the past, as we can see, Best Buy has been trading within this same range, bouncing from these areas of support, rising back up to around $122 to $124. So that is the same thing I see happening. Best Buy previously fell from that area. Now they are retesting this support right around 105. So that is a great area to be buying this stock. We should see a nice move back up to the top of this resistance line sometime this month as well. So let me know what you guys think of both of those setups in the comment section down below and which one you'll be playing. If you learned anything from this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss when I upload. See you in the next one.